Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to edit category banner and description. Log into the backend. Go to Storefront. Now scroll down. You can see the name of navigation. Now go to Catalogs and Categories. Go to Catalog drop-down and Clothing drop-down. Click on Kids subcategory. Scroll down and go to Description panel. Edit the description. Upload the display image. Click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.